I've agreed to carry out some tests on the SUNFOREST H-100C, especially for kiwifruit. At this stage we're just carrying out tests for the purposes of doing a calibration. I'm in a gold kiwifruit block. We are currently harvesting gold kiwifruit at the moment, and I suspect this crop will be harvested next week. This gold fruit is fairly good sized fruit, hanging in good bunches. I need to apply the tester to the fruit firmly, which requires two hands, so I'll do my best to do so. The test is on now. I have to apply pressure on the other side and activate the trigger. It only takes 2 to 3 seconds, as you can hear, and now we will look at the records. It's 21 degrees dry matter. If I depress the M button, it'll give me the Brix level. Brix level 10, so yes, it is getting up there. It should be ready for the destructive sampling tests, but at this stage we would be just doing these samples just to see whether the independent lab needs to come and sample some fruit in a destructive manner. I'm offering the apparatus to another fruit, checking to see if it's engaged, applying pressure on the other side, activating the button. Okay, now we'll read the dry matter, 19.6%. Let's check the Brix with the M button, and it's 8.5. Yes, the pass mark for this time of the year should be 5.4, so 8 is a good recording for Brix. Yet without having a destructive cross-reference, we're not sure whether this machine is running true and accurate. However, from experience, with my crop was harvested last week, it's around about right. 19%, 20% should have a Brix around about 8, 6, 9, somewhere around there. So it's enough for us to get an idea of whether we're ready to have this destructive sampling technique by a third person, which costs money, of course. Let's just do another one. There's the fruit. Apply the thing. Put pressure on the back. And come back. Let's have a read. It's 19.8%. Let's check the Brix. Press the M button. 9.2. Yes, I'm happy with that. I'm happy that the Brix is up there and the dry matter is up there also. I'll just do one more. We'll walk around here under the canopy. There's fruit there, fruit there, fruit there. I'm looking for fruit out in the open so I can handle it easy, of course. So there's one out in the open. Off of the HC100C, or is it H100C? Apply pressure on the back, pull the trigger, let go. Oh, that's quite a long reading. 19.0, and the Brix will be 7.7. You can see the temperature here too is 31 degrees. We're forecast to have 23 degrees in the orchard, or in the area, township, but we got 31 in the orchard. Let's just do one more. With this testing regime, I can do 100 or 200. So I'm happy that I'm getting a good cross section. and of course the makers are looking to install a GPS function into this apparatus as well. So when you download it on your laptop, it's right there. You can read or see where each reading is in the actual block. There's the fruit. Let's have a look at this one. There's the sunforest. Applying it. Now put weight on the back of it to make sure no light gets to the apparatus. Push the button. Okay, let's have a read. 19.9. Let's have a look at the Brix. Oh dear, 16.2. That was a malfunction. Let's do it again. I call it a malfunction because I know it should be around about 9 or 10 Brix, not 16. I must have had some light getting into there. Okay, trying again. Okay, 20.3. And the Brix. Oh, well, no. Perhaps this is ready to be picked. It is still up there. So I've done the fruit twice, and both times it show a very high Brix, which is feasible. Sometimes you will get high readings of Brix. Having done that, now it's forced me to do another one. Here we go. Another fruit by itself, easy for me to approach. (18) and 7.9. Those are the kind of readings I'm expecting in the orchard. Same time, I would not be surprised to get a 5.4 maybe, or of course I got a 14, so that was a big surprise. Okay, well thanks very much. I hope to carry out some other tests, but at this stage I'll just leave it at what we have now.